It's so good to be out. I've had 3 days inside, just sort of resting and getting rid of my whiplash from the crash that I had. In the meantime, the boys did an amazing ascent up the Big G. So keep watching and I'm going to show you some videos and footage on that. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching this adventure. And if you do have any questions, just pop them in the comment below. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Norway. No way, Norway.
Here we are, it's just me and Adrian left. Poor Flossie's had a fall yesterday, so sitting today out. We're heading for the big one up there. Geitgalgetind. Holy moly. What a view. Good morning. Flossie, this one's for you. Here he comes, the mountain machine. Those reflections down there are just stunning. Here we are, we've got a couple of guys ahead of us putting in a little trail. They overtook us. We've probably got about 300 metres vertical to go. Hitting just a bit of cruisy skin terrain here, just done a bit of a gully. It's quite a summit. Cheers, buddy. From the top of the Geitgalgetind in Lofoten, Norway. When you're skiing, you're just looking at that. We did it! Geitgalgetind! Skied off the summit, tick! Straight to the beach, just the way we like it. Good day, Adrian. Cheers, buddy. Boom. Happy days.